The lights. Get up.
Advance po. Pa-advance.
Parang 10K eh.
Pa-advance. Left. Advance left.
Sabi ng 5 kilometers sa punta.
Thank
Go.
you.
Ay, sorry.
Advance.
Go, 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 go.
Advance. I thought they're asking us to
Dalawa ko nilag natin po.
What? Yeah.
one dance step.
Okay.
Dance step.
Ah.
I'm capturing. One dance step, please.
This one. This one.
Dance.
Ah, I don't want. I don't want to dance. Let's go.
Are you filming me?
No, I'm filming myself.
After you.
Let's go. It's hard to. Let's go. Okay.
Go ahead.
Wait, I'm
Want to make
filming. I'm sweating. I don't know if how many kilometers are we at. Ooh.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Otherwise, your sister and your brother will kill me.
They gonna kill you.
Don't know. Ash also kill you.
Hi.
Okay.
What time is?
You enjoyed our.
What time is it?
Don't know.
Can you check to your phone?
It's a good time.
6. Already 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Alright.
We will be there at 8:30.
Let's go Mount Malusong. Batulusong? I don't know. Until now, I don't know.
Cut the plastic. Remove the plastic.
How can I remove this?
Remove this one. We cut it with weapon. Cut it with the tool. It's just like pants. Put this aside. You can. Great. See here. Look here. One more time. Some weird pose. I'm filming it. I'm capturing in between. You're copying her. Should take this one. Team TCS should be there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I'm not capturing you. I'm not capturing you. I'm not capturing you. No.
After 3 seconds, kaibigan na siya sa Facebook.
Do you have other
No. No. You want more?
It's free. I'm running, right?
But I was not. No. I just steal someone's cap.
I think one is enough.
Both are same. Good and enough. Both are same. But why are you using hands? Use the tool.
It's my first time.
Tapos puhugas kayo doon may ano po doon.
Smile. I said smile. Good smile, not a witch smile.
It's done. It's done. Again, it's done.
Okay, saan pa banda meron ba? Wala na?
We are at Butan Ridge.
Pictures! No, next one. Ayun. Ano to, ma'am?
Hindi ko din alam eh. Basta binili ko lang siya.
Para siyang gami.
Running at Mount Batilusong. It's 7:30 in the morning. 7:30? Or it's already 8? We had to take 2 kilometers to meet the summit. I'm taking a little bit video. Look at the view. Yeah. One moment. I have a human cameraman. Human cameraman. Redundant.
Women.
Gusto ko sana makita yung...
English.
No!
Spanish.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. It's okay?
No.
Come again?
No, it's not spicy, right? Ulit.
Photogenic ka.
You're the one who...
It's beautiful.
Wait. No. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yung pera siya. Nag-iinom lang kami doon.
Laugh, that's all.
You did not receive my ring. I'm feeling bad.
Huh?
You did not accept it.
Because there's NPA. NPA are...
So, bago makaabot ng
One more.
third summit, kailangan namin mapass through yan. Baka taas. Waiting.
Why?
Oh, umuulan. Slippery wet.
Slippery and wet. Hi!
Hi, Yagit Fam! Ganun ba yun?
Ano yun?
Hi, Yagit Fam! Ganun ba yun?
Mga yagiters.
Solid ano ako eh. Ano ba yan? Solid Kimpoy adventure ako. Ngayon lang ako nagyagit eh.
Yun po yung actually na natatandaan ko siya eh. Alam ko nung mga nagjo-join pa lang ako.
Oh.
nakapag-
Dati bang joiners ka?
Kimboy.
Tapos nag-ano ka lang din? Ano to? Talagang ginagawa mo na siya? Ito na yung source of income mo? O ano lang? Sideline? Ano lang? Sideline?
Weekends. Ito.
Oh, sarap.
Long weekend. Bukas tatakbo pa. Mamaya.
Tatakbo ka?
May takbo ko ng
Oh
ano,
my God. Nagtatakbo
Pato
ka
ko
rin
pa
pala.
pay.
See here. Rest. Fast. Run. For me.
So now, we're going down to the hill. Or down to the summit.
Or down to the...
It's me like crazy. Yeah, Z is crazy. Let's go.
Go down.
Spontaneous swim. May natagpuan kaming swimming pool dito. Ang lamig. And satisfying. From falls yung water niya. Adventure is done. Going to the van. With the wet clothes and pants and
I will looking forward to it.
what do you call that? Sandals.